Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today here I am again with one more cool trick by which you can earn unlimited likes on Facebook. Yes guys, unlimited likes on Facebook. All you need to do is just follow some very easy steps, and I'm going to tell you in this video that what are those steps and how to get unlimited likes on Facebook. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all you need to do is just open this site. I'm opening here right now, homedecoration.com, and open this first link, freer services. So basically this is the home page of this site that is currently being loaded. So there are different services like Instagram likes, Facebook likes, and TikTok. So today we are going to see how we can get likes on Facebook. So click on use. All you need to do is just come to this page where you will find this code. Now go on Facebook. I'll show you a live example right here right now. I'll post a photo and I'll show you how I'll get likes on that photo. Suppose I'm posting this photo. Let me like, and I'm posting this photo of tiger. So let's refresh this page and I'll just copy the link. Like here we have 0 likes on this photo. As you can see, there are no likes. Just right click on this photo, copy link location. Now go on that site, copy this code. Now click on open Facebook. Right here a new tab will open. All you need to do is just like here you can see that that code is automatically pasted. If not, then paste it. Click on continue. Once it gets success, go to the previous tab. It will automatically reload. Like guys, here I will show you I have -2 credits. This means that I have used the credits on my previous post, and this was my previous post. As you can see, there are already 20 likes. So I got 20 credits and I have used those. So it's showing -2. Just click on earn credits and click on start. It will automatically give you credits. Wait for some time. It will give you credits automatically. Like here you can see job completed +1 credit added. Earlier I was having -2 credits. Now it became -1. So just leave this and automatically it will start generating your credits. And once you get the credits of of 10 or 20 credits and you want 20 likes on your Facebook post, you can just paste your URL that you have copied of that image and paste it and just enter. You will start getting your likes and your like will increase as likes have increased in this photo. So I got 20 likes on this photo just by doing that. So guys, this is a very cool and very simple trick. All you need to do is just earn credits by doing nothing, and you have to just transfer your credits in form of Facebook likes. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I am posting these kind of videos on daily basis. So guys, have a nice day. Take care.